I'm gonna show you how to make the most amazing fish taco bowls. It's kind of like the deconstructed version of our famous fish tacos, and wait until you try the sauce. It is fabulous, darling. This recipe's easy, and I'm craving fish taco bowls, so let's get started. I have a beautiful wild-caught cod fillet, but you can use just about any white flaky fish here. Some other good options include halibut, rockfish, or even tilapia. Cut that into bite-sized pieces. I cut them into about 1-inch wide pieces. Transfer those to a large mixing bowl, and we're gonna season and oil them up. Add your cayenne pepper, also some chili powder for a little kick, and ground cumin. Also add some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Drizzle the fish with some olive oil, then stir until the fish is evenly coated with seasonings and oil. There are a few ways to cook this fish. You can do it on a skillet or put it in the oven at 375 for about 20 minutes. My favorite is to use the air fryer. Just pop them into the air fryer basket and air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes or until they're cooked through. When it's done, the fish should look white and flaky and reach an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the fish to a serving bowl and set it aside. You'll also need to cook some rice. You can use plain white rice, but I love this with cilantro lime rice. It's so easy to make. You just add the extra flavors after you've cooked the rice, and I will link to the video tutorial in the notes. Once the fish and rice are done, start chopping your toppings. Thinly chop your red cabbage. Also finely chop up a red onion. I love serving this buffet style, meaning people can build their own bowls, so as I chop the toppings, I put them into separate little bowls. Next, dice up some tomatoes. You can use cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, garden tomatoes, whatever you have on hand. Also peel and pit 2 avocados, then dice them up. You'll also need to chop up some fresh cilantro, which I forgot to record. Of course, fish taco bowls wouldn't be complete without the cheese. My go-to here is cotija cheese, but if you can't find it in the grocery store, you can also use queso fresco. Now for the best part. What made our fish tacos so famous is this fish taco sauce. Start by mixing sour cream and mayo, then add some fresh squeezed lime juice. Season with garlic powder and add some Sriracha sauce. Add this to taste. It does make the sauce a little bit spicy, and a little bit goes a long way. Use a spatula or a whisk to stir that until it's really well blended. All right, everything we need to make a delicious fish taco bowl is ready. I do like to put my sauce into one of these handy squeeze bottles because it makes it so easy to like drizzle it over your bowl, and it looks so pretty. But if you don't have one, you can just use a spoon and drizzle it like so. Easy peasy. Now I'm gonna show you how to build the most epic fish taco bowl. So we start with our rice. And when you make this, just set it out as like a buffet so that your guests can come and build their own fish taco bowl. They can pick whatever toppings they like. You can get creative with some of these. Just let them build their own. But I'm gonna show you how I make my fish taco bowl. All right, starting with the rice. And again, you can use regular plain white rice, brown rice, quinoa, really whatever grain you like, but the cilantro lime rice just adds such a nice like pop of flavor. It's so fresh and complements the fish taco bowls so well. And it's really easy to jazz up some regular white rice and make it a cilantro lime rice. Start with a base of rice. I prepared, I really did. Before the fish, I do like to add the purple cabbage, but it really doesn't matter, like whatever. Just make your bowl pretty. Okay, purple cabbage is on. Then the fish. I like the fish to be on top because it's like the hero of the dish, you know? I'm always thinking about food photography. And we do eat with our eyes first, right? So we want it to be pretty for our guests. Yes, yes. These are just protein packed and so delicious, so good with a flaky white fish.
Can I be your guest?
You can be my guest. Husband wants a taste test already. All right, and then we're gonna add our toppings. So we've got avocado, so good. And it's like so summery, so colorful, I love it. All right, and then we've got tomatoes, and these are right from the garden. They're so fresh. Look at that. A little bit of onion. And the onion's nice in here, so don't be scared of it. It's overflowing. I do like to add a little bit of cheese. And my favorite is cotija cheese because it has a little bit more of a salty bite, but if you can't find it in the grocery store, you can also use queso fresco. It does crumble just as well. It tastes amazing. It has like mild cheese flavor, kind of a little bit like mozzarella. So it is perfect for fish tacos or fish taco bowls. And this, I just like to put it everywhere. Oh, that's so good. And last but not least, we're gonna add a sprinkle of cilantro. Cilantro. And I do like to add a little squeeze of fresh lime juice over the top. It really makes the fish shine even more. And you really just can't go wrong with a little bit of cilantro or lime juice. It's not a very juicy lime. Okay, and now it is time to dig in. Oh, but we cannot forget our sauce. And we're gonna use this handy little squeeze bottle. So of course I made this recipe yesterday to photograph it. So I have double of everything now. I'm gonna be eating fish taco bowls for days. I don't mind one bit. Ooh, okay, I didn't expect that. Little explosion. Okay, let's just do this drizzle. Okay, here we go. Check this out. Looky, 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 looky. Ooh! Be generous with the sauce. Don't skimp on the sauce. You're gonna be coming back for more, I'm telling you. And the sauce has a little bit of kick, which is nice. It's not overwhelming. Okay, where's my fork? Where's my fork? I need my fork! Gotta do the taste test. Okay, here we go. Just like, want every part of this on my fork. Let's see how we do here. A little bit of rice, a little bit of lettuce, a lot of bit of fish. Okay, I think I got everything. It's a huge forkful. It's a little ridiculous, but you know what we're gonna do to make it extra ridiculous? Yeah. I'm telling you, that sauce is what made our fish tacos famous. And it's the same sauce we use on our shrimp tacos. Don't need to reinvent the wheel, you know, a good thing is a good thing. Okay, here we go, here we go.
Just eat it.
Okay. Mm. 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 I don't normally do that, but for you, it is so good. Mm. The fish is juicy and flaky and perfectly spiced. I love all the textures in here too. You've got that crunchy purple cabbage. The rice is just, it's just nice. It adds to the whole meal, makes it a meal in one bowl. I mean, you could serve it without a grain, even if you wanted to make it just like grain-free, but I like how it bulks it up and makes it more of a dinner. And then also the avocado is creamy and nice, the juicy tomatoes, the cilantro. I gotta just keep working on this. I have to keep eating this, you guys. So I hope you guys love this recipe. Also, let me know if you guys spotted Sharky in the video. We have a really wonderful collection of Mexican recipes that I will link to. Make sure you try our famous fish tacos and our shrimp tacos. You can serve this as a meal in itself because that's exactly what it is. You can also add a light salad to it if you want to, but I never do. So there goes that suggestion. I'm useless right now. I'm just hungry. Okay, all right, we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Bye.